Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you an easy guide to delete all Facebook posts at once. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Facebook. Now click on menu. Click on settings and privacy. Press on settings. Now scroll down. Now go to activity log. Press on public post. If you want to delete all Facebook posts at once, you just have to press your all option and press on trash. That's it. So this is the easy guide to delete all Facebook posts at once. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.